Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a 2009 Toyota Camry. This is the 4-cylinder, the SE 4-cylinder model. As you can see, it could use 5W20 or you could use 0W20 weight oil, and we're gonna do oil change on it. I'm gonna show you guys how it is. So we already got the jacked up. Basically the oil pan is on there here. Sorry guys, it's night, so the oil pan is right here, and you already know it's a 14 millimeter, and the filter is right there at the top. So we're gonna get down to business and show you guys what's up. Let's get to work. Alright guys, so I got it connected, as you can see. To break it, I use an extension, you know, because the short one sometimes give you a hard time. So as you can see, I broke it loose, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I turn it to the left, and here we go. I should have my gloves, but you know, your boy been washing his hands with Dawn and the extra good stuff. So let me kind of get it up close so you guys can see it. Don't want it to be too okay guys, so as I said, you just turn it left, and we want to make sure the catcher is right on point, because it's going to scoot out. You already know how it is. Here we go. Isn't that bad? The oil looks really bad though. So as I said, this is a Toyota Camry, the SE model, 4-cylinder. Takes 5W20, or you could use 0W20. Either or, it's gonna work. And the good stuff. And you know, as I said, the filter is up here. I'm gonna get our filter cap. Hopefully I'm gonna have some leverage. I might need an extension, and I don't know if I have an extension for that up there, but we're gonna work something out. I might have to, yeah, because this, I'm gonna have to work something out and see if I'm gonna able to get it. If not, I might have to use, I'm gonna use the filter cap and see if I could do that. Hopefully I have my extension, have an extension inside my tool. Alright, so this is basically finishing up, draining out. As you know, this wasn't that much, and it takes 4.4 quarts of oil. I mean, this was really bad, really bad. Okay. Alright guys, we back. Alright, so this is the thing. Make sure you have at least one of these right here. It takes the oil filter is 65 millimeter, and you got to make sure you have this ratchet right here that you could, because it's so hard, I gotta go left to break it. I don't have that much leverage. It would have been really easy if I had an extension. I can't find my extension at the moment, but the extension will be better for this car. But if you can't do it, you just do it the hard way. You push it up there, and they give you a little leverage, guys. But I'll take off the filter. Here it is. Look how dirty, look how black and dirty the oil is, guys. Wasn't that much. So when this one is the, I don't even know what, this one said R85394. But today we're going to use the Fram synthetic oil filter. So I'll be back to you guys. Alright guys, this is the filter that we're going to use, the Fram Ultra Synthetic XG4386, and we also going to use this oil right here. Catch your edge, unlock maximum performance, 10 times better under high temperature. As you can see, the SAE rating 0W20, advanced full synthetic motor oil. And this is what we're going to do. To basically lubricate this seal, because sometimes these rubber seals be sticking. And also we could also pour some oil in it, so the filter, when you start the vehicle, it don't give you a dry start. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back on the vehicle and tighten this up, screw this back on. This is the new filter, and let's get back down to business. Got to make sure this the filter up here don't have no seal, don't stick to the housing. I could see it. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I could see it. There's nothing stick up here in the housing, so let's go ahead, do it. Alright guys, so let's screw this in. And all you basically need is to hand tighten it. That's all. Alright, so this is good enough. It's already hand tighten it. Hand tighten. Perfect fit. Make that 3. Alright guys, so basically going to put back on the drain plug. It just start dripping slowly now. So put back that drain plug on. Just use this tool and just tighten it. No need to over tighten it. You don't want to strip the threads. There we go. And that's good enough, guys. No need to over tighten it. That's perfect. Alright guys, so we here at the top. And as I said, we're using the Castrol 0W20. If you don't know, you can look at the cap. It tells you. You could use 5W20 or you could use the 0W20. It doesn't matter which, either or. What's best for you, it works. And here we go. Takes 4.5 quarts, guys. You can easily just check that online. It tells you sometime in your owner's manual as well. A little bit in here. We're gonna basically start it up. I left a little, so it'll be probably about here. know you guys probably can't see it. Probably about here. Alright, we're gonna start it up and check to see any leaks. Then I'm gonna drop it down. Alright guys, so this is how it sounds. Now we're gonna check for some leaks, see if any leak. Trying to get it focused here. Alright, so therefore there's no leaks. This was earlier from when I was taking out the pan from underneath. So we're gonna basically drop the jack. Since everything is good, there's no leaks. So everything is good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to reset that maintenance require light inside of the car. And before that, I'm gonna need some power. This is like steering fluid. Yeah, it's kind of low on power steering fluid, so we're gonna have to top that off and put some coolant in the system as well. It's a little low. I know you guys can't really see it, but we're gonna drop the car. All right. Looks like you needed a flush too. Look at it. Definitely. Yeah, but you do need some power steering fluid. We get that tomorrow. Alright, so he actually good on the coolant. You might flush that system out. Yeah, flush that system probably tomorrow. Alright, so let me drop down the jack. Gotta twist it that way. Yeah, perfect. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go inside and show you guys how to reset that maintenance require light right there on the side. So we have the car running. Certain vehicles, just like this Toyota, sometime they have it, they'll sometimes you be in trip A and sometimes is in odometer. So we're gonna try it with the odometer to see if it works. It's been a long time I haven't done it on the Camry, so bear with me guys. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, alright guys, so what we're gonna do, since this is a Camry and not the Avalon, I'm gonna keep it in trip A. Now the vehicle is totally off guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the key to the on position without starting the vehicle. So I'm gonna hold it down in trip A, hold down this button right here. It's very easy. So go ahead, hold it down and turn it to the on position. Don't start the car. So 1, 2, 3, go. See all those dash going by guys? 0, perfect. No maintenance light. We're gonna start it up. And that's how you do it guys, easy and simple. So the 2009 Toyota Camry, that's how you reset. That's how you do an oil change and reset the maintenance require light. You basically hold it down, put it to trip A, hold down this button and turn the car to the on position without starting the vehicle. And that's how you complete an oil change and reset your own oil life without going to the dealership. you save money and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's a beautiful Toyota 2009 Camry. It's very beautiful, guys. Look, very clean, very beautiful, very nice. Hope you guys enjoy my video. I really appreciate all the love and the support, and thank you guys for watching once again. Peace out. Much love to you guys. I am out. Bye bye.